So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video let's talk about some of these upcoming huge Ordinals projects that I've been watching really closely, and it was really quiet for a while now, but we have some of these quality projects coming up really soon. So I'm really excited to see how they're gonna perform. Also, if you haven't seen, I'm gonna be dropping some more alpha regarding my own private community, so make sure you guys follow Profit Labs on Twitter, and I'm gonna be dropping some alpha really soon. So the first one on my list I wanna mention is probably the most hyped project right now. It's called Frucks. And as you can see, I found this project below 1,000 followers, and they are sitting above 15,000 right now. And what I like about them is the marketing and how they handle the page, and also the art is really unique and very easy to understand and is really memeable. You can see they have a bunch of these videos. They also shared some of these sneak peeks, some giveaways. So they also have a website, and it looks really unique. You can request a collabs here. You can also follow them, and you can see you have a field for friend list. So this probably is gonna show you whether you are whitelisted or not. Of course, I might be wrong. This is only my speculation, but when you're gonna place your wallet, you will see whether you are friend listed or not. You can also see that you have the field for your address and also leave the message. So we never know whether that's the way to get a whitelist, so definitely do that. And also you can see you have a form to submit your tweet. So you can see if you're gonna make a post on Twitter, you can also submit that in here, and you can also estimate your tweet points. So I assume the more points you're gonna accumulate, this is gonna probably give you some whitelist spot. So this project is super early, so I definitely recommend you guys to follow it because it gives me really good puppets vibes. So let's see how this is gonna perform. So follow them on Twitter if you wanna be notified in case they're gonna drop the Discord link or maybe some other whitelist opportunities. Another one that I want to mention is Foxtales, which is going to be the smaller collection size of 3,456, and they also have a decent following above 7,000. And you can also see that in this tweet they are going to have runes. So this is the supply of runes, the name. So most likely each of these foxes, they're gonna give you a certain amount of runes. And they also have this fine art, which is really easy to understand. And on the website, you can see more information about the collection. What's cool about them, it is going to be the dynamic art. So if you're gonna scroll down to the bottom, you can see that we have the slider. You can see how the art changes, and we can see some section confidential. So we don't know still what this is going to be about. So I still don't know the price and the mint date. But you can see we know already that this is going to be the rare Satoshis, this is going to be dynamic art. Also, we do have some redacted section, plus they're gonna have a runes. So definitely follow them on Twitter because it's still really early if you wanna get on the whitelist. Another one on my list that I wanna mention is Primal Nomad BTC. And this is going to be the pre-rune project. The supply is going to be 6,666. We don't know the mint price and we don't know the date. If you look at the art is unique and I really like it. It's something new that we haven't seen so far. So I'm definitely a fan of it. They also gave away a ton of different one-to-one pieces to different founders and reputable people in the space. So that's all what we know so far. So in case they're gonna drop the Discord, you definitely wanna follow them on Twitter so you're not gonna miss out any upcoming alpha. Another one on my list that I really like is Ordinals, and this is going to be one of its kind project on Ordinals that they're going to bring RW8 on Bitcoin, which is the real world asset. So you can see they use this IPC technology to tokenize RW8 on BTC, and Ordinals are your ticket into the oranj ecosystem. So this is how the art presents itself. You can see you have this real estate. I'm really excited to see what they're gonna come up with. It's still really early. We don't know much information about this yet, so they have only 2 posts on Twitter. So definitely really early. If you want to get on a whitelist, follow them so you're not going to miss out any info. And last but not least, I want to mention holders once again. So you can see this is going to be the high quality hand-drawn PFP collection. I mentioned that a couple of times. They're almost on 15,000 followers right now. They have a lot of impressions, likes, comments, and retweets. And looks like they also have something to do with DGods on Bitcoin, which is the another huge notable collection with a huge backing. So I really like the art, and we don't know the price, the date, or the supply yet. So it's going to be really interesting to watch. And we can see the space is heating up slowly, so we have more and more upcoming projects. The April was pretty quiet after Runes launched, but right now we have a ton of new Ordinals collections that are going to be releasing soon. So if you guys found this video useful, you can let me know in the comment down below. Don't forget to follow my group on Twitter, hit the thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one.